Good morning everyone. Today English. Last time we discussed about A and an. A and. Where we are using A, where we are using an. A can be used in front of consonants. A we are using in front of consonants. An we are using in front of vowels. And we are using in front of vowels. What are consonants? These are consonants. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are consonants. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. Okay. Next we are discussing about the. Next we are discussing about the. The can be used in front of the. Where we are using the? We are talking about the same person or thing repeatedly, then we use the. We talk about same person or thing again, we use the. Example. We repeatedly talking about same person or we talking about the same person or thing again, we use the. Example. See, there was an apple tree. The tree was very old. See, example. There was an apple tree. The tree was very old. Here we are talking about apple tree. There was an apple tree. There was an apple tree. The tree was very old. Here repeatedly talking about only tree because we use the. There was an apple tree. The tree was very old. Here repeatedly we talk about the tree because we use here the. There was an apple tree. Again the tree was very old. Here repeatedly we talk about the tree. Because here we use the. Next example. Next. We also use the before things that are one of a kind. Again we use the before the thing that was only one. That was only or one of a kind. That was only one. See, example, the sun. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. Here the we use it before the sun. The sun, only one sun. Only one sun. Because we use in front of that like we use the in front of only one thing, one kind of thing we use the. Here we use in front of sun the because there is only one sun. The type of things also we use the. In front of one kind of a thing we use the. Example, the sun rises in the east. Sun, only one sun there because we use in front of the sun the. Okay. See, today we discussed about the. Where we use the? Two types. When we can repeatedly talking about one thing or one person, we use the. Example, I told there was an apple tree. The tree was very old. There we repeatedly talk about the tree because we used in front of tree the, and the is used in front of the only one thing. Here sun is the only one kind of thing.